What's up guys, Pedro here, and on this video I want to show you how to change a trunk opener spring on a 2006 Honda Accord. Coming up right after this. Okay, so have you ever gone to open your trunk and you hit the remote button on your trunk and it makes a click sound but it doesn't open? Okay, so most likely it's your trunk opener spring. Had it happen to me and looked inside the trunk and there was a small metal piece that was broke off, obviously, laying in the back of my trunk. And I looked up underneath there and the other half was up there still, but it obviously had broke. So of course I purchased the spring on Amazon for $16.76, I think it was. And didn't take long to install it. I did this about 7 months ago. Decided to do a video on it today because the sun came out and I can. And this is what the spring looks like before you install it. Okay, before you get started, you want to prop a board or something. I do a lot of woodworking, so I had an extra piece of wood and I just propped it in there. To hold the lid up while I install the spring. Okay, so there is a clip in the middle here. This clip just unsnaps and both the left and right springs fit inside there, and then it just snaps shut. I installed the spring in the middle clip first and then proceeded with the install. Okay, you see the little end is in the hole here on the trunk or the lid, and make sure that it's facing where this is up top, not down below but up top here. Then you come over here, and I already got my vice grips on there the way they're supposed to be, so when you twist it like this it puts the tension on it. The top part where the tip is going to go back here into that groove right there. And the bar, the main part of the bar is going to go into this groove right here. The main part of the bar is going to go into that groove right there. You're going to have to twist it, give it some tension, and that's what causes the trunk to spring open when you press the button for it. So I'm going to try to do that and video at the same time, which it's going to be hard because it is pretty tough. I'm going to try to grab it with my fingers. There. Okay, so I'm resting the little piece on the back side there, and I'm going to twist it. Whew. And jammed it up in there. Okay, so here's the spring installed. You got the big end on this side and the small end. Oh, if I can get over there. Let me turn some light on. The small end over here, right here. If I can find it. Yep, you got the small end right there. Come over here. And you got the big end right there. Okay, so it's in the groove. You can see now. It's in the groove. That other part's in the groove there. They're both in the groove like they're supposed to be. Let me pull these off so you can see a little bit better. Okay. Oh, magnet from the speaker got it. Okay, and that's the way it's supposed to sit in there on this side. And then this side over here, that's the way that sits in there. Okay. Now, I should be able to pull my board out. Let me stick my foot up there. Pull my board out. Hopefully it won't come crashing down on me. Nope, it's sitting up there. Now let me just get out of here. Good. Oh, jeez. Your mother's butt. And success.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and share it. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Until next time, God bless. Y'all take care and have a Merry Christmas.